Hello guys, so today we have a new vlog, and today's vlog guys, I'm gonna show you how to connect our RØDECaster Pro II out direct to your camera. Any camera, which is as long as you have 3.5 jack out to your camera, you can connect guys your RØDECaster Pro direct to your camera live, and no hassle for synchronizing video and audio. So again guys, if you have RØDECaster Pro II, and if you want to out direct your camera, this vlog is for you guys. So again guys, I'm gonna show you now, but first you need only this cable guys, the quarter jack to 3.5 jack. Yes, this is what you need. First, put the quarter jack of any headphone. This is out also, it can converse with out. For any, you have a 4 out, you can example put in one, put in camera 3.5, then let's open the camera. Okay guys, so this is our camera connected the 3.5 to the audio headphone out, quarter jack, and guys, so this is our mic, and you see the level here. So test mic 1 2 3 1 2 3. So and guys, this is how to connect your RØDECaster Pro II to our camera. Again, all you need is a 3.5 jack direct to quarter jack. So ayan guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. If you want to more about our products, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. So if you want to check all the Rode and Sony cameras available here in AB World, just visit us in our store, Megastore Showroom, Shamia and Negayla. And again, check our website www.abworld.com. Hanggang dito na lang. Thank you and mabuhay.